Hi, Paul here from OEM Audio, showing you how to run the update on our latest BTN 900. Get the software on a USB stick like this, turn the car off completely, insert it into the USB, turn the vehicle back on, the unit will boot up, the screen will go blank, it'll flicker slightly, and then the software will update. The software takes about 30 seconds to go fully through the cycle, and we can watch as it goes through here. It's not the most exciting thing in the world, but it's not the longest either. What the software update will do will give you the ability to load logos into the device and set the time not using GPS. Software is now fully loaded. The screen will flicker. Now the unit will boot. Do not touch the unit in any way because it hasn't quite fully updated. It needs to go forward and update the MCU part of the device. Doing that now, it's reading the update file and it's going to update the MCU software. This will take another 30 to 40 seconds. And as you can see now, it's updating the MCU software. It's a reasonably quick process, and we're done. It then asks you to remove the USB stick with the update files, and you can remove with OK. So I'm removing the USB now and hitting OK. The unit will then go blank, restart using our logo, and it'll come back to the load screen. The unit will fully load up. Then from there, to change logos, you can program the radio from there, go into settings, other, version, hold down the top line for about 3 seconds, then hit OK, and it'll open up briefly the logo. In this case it's an Isuzu. Hit Isuzu, we'll then hit home, turn the device off completely, ignore that phone call, turn the unit back on, comes up Isuzu, and the update is done completely from there, and you're then free to reprogram the radio stations and set everything up again. Thanks for watching.